Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to create this nice looking table with HTML and style it with CSS. Without wasting time, let's get started. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe. So in your HTML file, create the HTML structure. A shortcut to this is write an exclamation mark and press enter. Then I will change the title to table and open this file in my browser so that we can see as we create the table. We will start by the table tag, which defines a table in HTML. Then inside the table we will define the table head, which contains the titles of the columns. Inside table head we will put table row. Remember, we need a row for the titles. And then th for the titles or headings. The first will be name. We will put another heading in that row. It will specify age. And then the last heading to specify marks. And in the browser, you can see the headings that we created. Next is to fill this table with values. We do so using tbody. Inside tbody, we define the first row using tr. And in the row, we define data using td. The first data goes to the first column. So we will write John so that it goes on the name column. We will define the second data. Give it 20 since it is an age data. Next, we will define data for the last column, which is marks, and give it 80%. As you can see in the browser, we filled a row in the table and gave data depending on columns. So I will copy this row and paste it a few times since we need a few rows. Then I will change the data so that they don't look the same. And there is our table. Next we will style this table with CSS. So go to head and write style. First we will style the whole table. So write table. First, we want to give our table a border. So write border and give it 1 pixel solid black. Next, we will give the table a margin of 50 pixels for top and bottom and auto for left and right to center it horizontally. Then I will set the font family to Arial. Next, I will target the table headings and data. Give them a border of 1 pixel solid black for a black border. As for now, they have gaps in between, so we will remove them. We will go back to table. Write border collapse and give it a value of collapse. And now our table looks more realistic. Next, I will add a padding of 10 pixels for top and bottom and 30 pixels for right and left to make the table larger and have more space. Next, I will style the row in thead, the one containing name, age, and marks. We will give it a background color of blue. Next, we will change the text color to white. For the rest of the rows, I want that the even number rows to have a yellow background color. That is the second and the fourth row, and the odd number rows to have a pink background color. That is the first and the third row. So I will target the rows in tbody, then filter them using nth-child since I don't want to style all rows, and put even in the brackets. The styles I will write in here will apply to tbody rows that are even numbers. I will set the background color to yellow. And as you can see, only the even number rows are affected. I will copy these styles and paste them and change even to odd. Then I will change yellow to pink. And there we have different colors for odd and even rows. Next, we want to change the color while we move cursor over these rows. So I will paste the Evan styles once more. Add a hover pseudo class and change color to light green. Also remove the nth-child. Now if I try to hover the rows, their background color changes to light green. I will also set cursor to pointer when we hover so that the cursor turns into a hand while we hover. Now if I hover, cursor becomes a hand, and color changes. And that's how we make a table in HTML and style with CSS. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.